Hi guys. So it is currently 7:40. I just got to rest obviously like 10-20 minutes ago. I was just offloading the car. I'll show you guys the mess in my room. Even though it's a bit less because what did I do? I put in the fridge stuff because they came with the cooler box with ice from home. So my dad needed to take the cooler box home. So I unpacked that and put it in my fridge. So I need to unpack this mess and put it away. And then I'm gonna sleep. And then wake up, take a shower, because literally brush my teeth, wash my face, and I came. So I'm gonna unpack, sleep, take a shower, and study. I'm writing tomorrow at 8 a.m. Have I touched a book? Nope. Do I know what's going on? Nope. But it's gonna be okay. So yeah, I'm writing tomorrow, which is the 2nd of April. And tomorrow we're starting the second term of the first semester. Some people call it block A, block 1, or first semester, term 1, whatever guys it is. The first part of the first semester, and I'm writing economics tomorrow. So I'm just gonna unpack and then sleep and then wake up, shower. Then it's whether we're gonna study in my room or go to the study. But I'm thinking of studying in my room because then my friends won't see me by mistake and I won't get distracted because I missed them already. Because I wanna see them around 5-6 once I'm done studying, like literally everything. Or actually I might not sleep but what I want to do is charge my phone because it's almost dead. So yeah, let us unpack and then sleep and then wake up and then shower and then work. I'm willing to vlog. I'm in my vlogging girl era and I just feel like I'm just doing something different today. And I hope I manage to edit, because one thing about me, I'll vlog and not edit and not post. So yeah, I'm gonna try my best. I just need something for my lips and then super grand. So yeah guys, let's get into it. Unpacking. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. And I'm back with another video. If you're a returning subscriber, hi, and if you're new here, thank you so much for passing by, and I hope that you do stay by clicking the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be notified every time I post. I haven't done this in a minute, but guess what, my lips are dry and I'm gonna sort them out. But anyway, let's get into this vlog. What happens if I lose my way with a compass and a map I made, looking for my shadow in the dark?
happens if I look for you with the compass and my tennis shoes and find you holding someone else's heart? I'm sleeping on your bedroom floor. I'll let my feelings wash ashore. You told me I'm projecting and I don't move with much direction anymore. I don't know what I'm looking for. I can't believe I care. Soon I won't, I pinky swear. I'm leaving, I'll call you when I'm there. What happens if I lose my way with a compass and a map I made, looking for my shadow in the dark? What happens if I look for you with a compass and my tennis shoes and find you holding someone else's heart?
Yo, guys, I'm gray. Let me see. Okay, I think it's better, but I don't think it's better. But anyway, I am at the very same position that you guys left me at the last time. It is 2 days later though, because today's a Thursday. Tomorrow I'm writing maths. So today we are studying maths. How did I write economics on Monday? To be honest, I don't take economics. I don't know economics. But I like the idea of economics. However, I can't really say or what. We'll see with the results. But what I think I need to do is go for consultations before my next test, which is in May, first week of May. So I still have a bit of time. So after next week's accounting test in G, I am going for consultations for both accounting and thingy. I'm not really stressed for maths because maths is my thing now. But yeah, so I just thought I should update you guys. It is Thursday, the 4th of April. I'm writing maths tomorrow and I am studying. Study Shasana, and I didn't want to make it repetitive. So yeah, maybe I'll film a little bit tomorrow, maybe not. We shall see. But this is just an update. I'm alive. It's just that semester testing very China. But other than that, I am okay. I feel like these glasses are dirty because when I have them off, I see a better view. But anyway, guys, I love speaking and rambling too much. Love you guys. I'll see you guys when I see you guys. I look like a hot mess. I feel like... Anyway, I look like a hot mess. And I come back from writing. Gazinga Jabula. Happy, literally. I'm so happy. My maths test went well. I hope when the results come, they'll match what I'm saying. Sorry, you guys are not on a tripod, that's why I'm moving up and down. So yeah, I was just informing you guys about that. Today is a Friday. I'll see you guys tomorrow or Sunday because I'm gonna do I'm gonna clean and study some more because we're writing accounting next week. And then yeah, that's why I was here, literally. Bye. guys, you guys are at a bit of a tilt. What's this? Oh, okay, cool. Huh? Okay, anyway, sorry about this. Guys, what's this light caused by? Because when I lift up, anyway, cool. So I just made a meal on TikTok, but I need to put you guys down. Okay, I think it's much better. So I just made a meal. Okay, hi guys, I just cooked this on TikTok. It's like a creamy chicken liver pasta that I came across on TikTok. However, I did use milk instead of cream, and then I used curry powder to like thicken the milk, yeah? Because I didn't have flour. So this is how it looks like. The picture should be on the thumbnail or somewhere. So I thought, since I cooked it on TikTok, I might as well come taste it here. Right, I haven't tasted it. You guys, don't get me wrong, I'm a very good cook. I think I'm a very good cook. I can cook. If my man loves my cooking, I can cook. So I'm not hyping it up. It's giving chicken pasta just with chicken livers, honestly, so it's not like a taste that I'm not used to, because when I make my chicken pasta, I'll make it the same way, just that I haven't had chicken livers in a while, so I feel like that's what's making it great instead of good. So yeah guys, please go to my TikTok to try it out. This is my Saturday grill dinner, and it's raining outside, so I feel like a warm hearty meal is just what I needed. So yeah, let me eat, probably watch some YouTube, and then get back to studying, because that's what I've been doing my whole Saturday.
Sleeping on your bedroom floor, I let my feelings wash ashore. You told me I'm projecting, and I don't move with much direction anymore. I don't know what I'm looking for. I can't believe I care. Soon I wanna pinky swear I'm leaving, I'll call you when I'm there. What happens if I lose my way with the compass and a map I made, looking for my shadow in the dark? What happens if I look for you, the compass and my tennis shoes, and find you holding someone else's heart? So I get up and I get dressed, playing Pokemon on my old 3DS. There's a title card that says you gotta be the very best. And now I'm getting existential with my digital pets. I can't believe I care, but what a weird state of affairs. I'm leaving, I'll call you when I'm there. What happens if I lose my way with a compass and a map I made, looking for my shadow in the dark? What happens if I look for you, the compass and